Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. It is Wednesday today. Oh my god, this week has gone fast already. It is the middle of the week. I just dropped Elise off at nursery and then I was headed straight to B&M and M&S because I was long overdue a trip for taking pictures for my Instagram. Issa was super sleepy, so he fell asleep. So he's had a little bit of a nap today. Yesterday he didn't have a nap and he fell asleep so easy in the night time, so I don't know. This is a good time to have a nap for him though, because it's like not even 9:30, not even 10:30 yet, so hopefully he'll be nice and easy to get to sleep tonight. So I'm going to do a little bit of a B&M/M&S haul because I went there and I picked up a few things and I shoved them all in the same bag. I will start with whatever's on the top because I cannot be bothered to sort it out. I first picked up some salmon because I'm going to make something with salmon today, maybe a salmon curry, but these go out of date I think today, so they are going to have to be used ASAP for lunch, I'm guessing. And then I picked up some Cajun seasoning. These are all suitable for vegetarians. I thought I'd get these and then I will try them with like chicken and maybe like on a roast chicken or something, so it's like easy spice to have on hand. But this is the Cajun one, and I also got a jerk one as well, which I'm excited about because I can make some jerk chicken. Oh, can't wait. And then I picked up some salt. This is 25p. Oh yeah, these were £1 each. And then I always need a hand cream. This is supposed to stay in my car because I always need hand cream in my car because my hands are always dry. That's what happens when you wash up so much. Also from M&S I got some of these. These were £1.65, but I've had these before and they're so delicious, so I thought I would pick some of these up as well. I love the little packaging they come in, it's cute. And then I also got some chickpeas because I'm planning to make a slow cooked Moroccan lamb dish sometime soon and you need chickpeas for it, so I got some chickpeas. Moving on to B&M. I didn't get that much from B&M to be honest. I got some french fries. I got some of these crinkles. The kids love these, so I got to keep those. And then a quick easy dinner for the kids if I don't know what to make. And then I got some more of these for Elisa. I don't know if I showed you these before. I bought these previously, but they all either broke or lost or something. So these are £1 for 4 little headbands and they're really good to keep the hair out of her face. And then the whole reason that I went in there was for this. This is a roll of paper. If you saw in yesterday's vlog, I put some paper on the floor for them. I wanted to put this down, but my one that I had in my cupboard, I couldn't find it. I think I used it all in the summer, so I got another one. But that is everything that I got. I think I got more from M&S than I did from B&M. But there's so many nice things in B&M. Like, I just want to buy everything all the time, but I need to stop myself because shopping is not good. I buy things that I kind of need, not just like pillows and throws and blankets and rugs and stuff like that. Like, you have to save up for that kind of thing. But I did get a lot of pictures for my Instagram account. If you don't follow my home Instagram account, it is insta.home.uk, like this. But I'm gonna go put all of this stuff away and then I'm going to maybe edit yesterday's vlog and upload that. But lunch is gonna have to wait until I pick Elise up from nursery because it's 10:30, so I'm never gonna get anything done in that time. So Elisa's back from nursery now, and I've just been editing and uploading a video, and now it is lunchtime. It is nearly 12:30, so we're going to have some lunch. Issa's having an apple that I chopped this morning. And yeah, I'm going to have salmon. I don't know what, I'm thinking of having salmon in these buns that we bought a few days ago and having it like a sandwich and then some salad on it. Nice. What's the matter? I'm gonna fry the salmon in a little bit of coconut oil and those spices. Probably the Cajun spice because that sounds like it would go nice with salmon. And then some onion, and also going to put that mango salsa that I made yesterday on there as well. That would be really nice. So I'm gonna guess that would be around 300 calories, which is not the best, but never mind. I'll have a smaller dinner later. What's that? You want an orange? Say orange. Oh, woo woo. So cute, Mr. Man.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
I think Issa is teething really bad today, so I just gave him one of these Ashton and Parsons sachets. They are really, really good. Like, they always calm him down. He really likes having them as well. It's like a little bit of sherbet or something. I've never actually tried it, so I don't know if it's sweet or not, but he seems to really like it and he always wants more. So I just thought I'd mention these because I was in B&M earlier today, as you know, and I saw these for £1.99. Like a packet of those for £1.99. I'm sure in Boots it's like £5 or £6 for the same box, and in Home Bargains I'm sure it's between like £2.50 and £3. So it is so good for £1.99 for these. So if you need these, go to B&M because what a bargain. B&M bargains. Anyway, I'm just about to change Issa's nappy for the second time in like 5 minutes. Elisa is just chilling, having her sandwich and eating some crisps and an orange, and yeah, just chilling. I really need to go and clean the kitchen because I just made that salmon stuff and my kitchen is a mess. I am just cooking some food because my dad's going to come around later. It is currently 3:15. My dad's going to come about 6:30, 7ish, which is when the kids go to bed, but it's okay. I am going to make meat curry, which is going to cook for a long time, and then I'm going to make some dal with chicken, so that is going to be delicious. And I'm going to also make some rotis as well. No. No. You want an apple? No. You want an apple? Oh, I was looking for my recipe book and I thought it was in my baking cupboard, which used to be my baking cupboard, but I've switched it around now. I've changed it to the snack cupboard because the kids can't reach it. And then now the snack cupboard is my baking cupboard. So I thought it was in there, but it's not. I was looking everywhere, literally, like on top of the fridge, on top of the cupboards, and in all cupboards and everything. And I opened the cupboard that it's in about 4 times, and then I saw it the last time I opened it. Stupid! I actually already started the onions, so they look very, very brown. So I'm going to put the heat back on, and then I'm going to add my meat and my spices. when I'm cooking, I like to when I'm cooking, I like to keep a big, massive cup of water next to my curries because it's just easier to add water. It's like if your curry's dry now, or if they just need a little bit more water, it's just there. Don't have to keep running back and forth to the sink. Bit lazy, but I'm all about lazy cooking. Curry is looking absolutely amazing. It actually looks really, really good, and I don't understand why. It doesn't never normally look like this. But I'm gonna let that simmer for hours and hours and hours, and then it will be nice. This does not fit on this pan, but it kind of like sits in there without falling in, so good enough for me. I don't know where the lid for this one's gone, so it will have to do. Now I'm going to tidy up a bit, I think. Go chill with Issa until he gets bored of me so I can just put him down, and then I'm coming back in the kitchen. So I'm gonna start boiling my dal. We call it dal, a lot of people call it dal, but it's just how I was brought up, okay? So don't take the mick out of me because a lot of people have done that in the past, so don't. But I'm gonna start boiling it until it is cooked nice and soft, and then I'm going to add some onions and spices and tomatoes, and then it will be beautiful. Oh, and chicken. Say orange. Yay! High five! I have cooked. I need to do the chapatis, and then I don't know what I'm doing, but I have done so much. I've tidied up this room. It looks so much better than before. My rocking chair is fully broken, so that is gonna have to be thrown away, but all the floor is clean. I also did the breakfast bar, but I'll put towels on it so because I need to take them upstairs. And then that room is also done, but the kids are playing in there. I'm gonna end the video now. I don't even remember what I vlogged today, so I'm sorry if this video was kind of rubbish, but not every day is gonna be a good vlog day. So thank you so much for watching anyway, and I will see you in my next video. I might add some clips in of me, what I've cooked and all that kind of thing, so keep watching if you want to see that. But yes, bye, say bye. Good boy, love a baby.